Hi everyone! Welcome back to Virtual Storytime. Today we'll start out with some songs and rhymes from Baby Time, and then we're featuring the book Hello Robots by Joan Holub, and we'll wrap up with some more active songs from Wonderful Walkers. To get us started today, we are trying a very silly nursery rhyme called Diddle, Diddle, Dumpling. So I'm going to demonstrate this one holding Bear on my lap, with hands and feet up in the air so that we can follow along with the movements. You can also try this one laying on the floor if that's more comfortable for you and your child. So we're going to start out gently tapping the soles of feet together, and we'll say, diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John. And then we're going to give legs and feet a little roll. Went to bed with his stockings on. One shoe off and one shoe on, diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John. All right, let's try that one all together just a little bit faster. Here we go. Diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John went to bed with his stockings on. One shoe off and one shoe on, diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John. Nice job, everyone. Our next song is called Splash, 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 and we'll sing this to the tune of Muffin Man. So Bear and I are going to demonstrate this as a lap song. For the first verse, we're going to move the arms up and down like we're splashing in the water. And then the second verse, we're going to move arms side to side. If you'd rather try this song standing, you can just make your motions a little bit bigger. So splash arms up and down in the air, and then sway arms side to side for our second verse. All right, so let's get ready to splash, and we'll sing splash, splash, splash in the bath, bath, bath. Splash, splash, splash in the bath, bath, bath. Splash, splash, splash in the bath, bath, bath. Rub-a-dub-dub-dub. Splash, splash, splash in the bath, bath, bath. Splash, splash, splash in the bath, bath, bath. Splash, splash, splash in the bath, bath, bath. Rub-a-dub-dub-dub. Yay! All right, my friends. I think we are ready for our story. I'll invite everyone to grab a seat, crisscross applesauce, or snuggle up in a lap. And today we are sharing Hello Robots by Joan Holub, and this is coming to us from Little Simon. All right, let's take a look at how our story is going to start. So here are our robots. Hello Buzz. Hello Beep. Hello, robots, fast asleep. This one's even dreaming about robot sheep. Wake up! Get dressed, robots! All right, the alarm clock just made a lot of noise, so those robots look pretty surprised, don't they? They've got to get up, get dressed, and get ready to go. All right, let's see how they do. Robots leaping from their beds, robots standing on their heads. I think these robots might be in kind of a silly mood this morning. Time for shoes, socks go on top, then do a robot belly flop. Is that how you get dressed in the morning? Do you put your shoes on first and then your socks on top? Doesn't work that way, does it? And if you notice, the robots don't have any other clothes on. I think they might be a little out of order this morning. Let's see what they're going to do next. Shorts and shirts, next underpants, then do a clanky robot dance. Well, we put on underpants, shorts, and shirts when we get dressed, but not usually in that order, right? These are definitely some very silly robots. Brushing bolts before they eat. At the table, take a seat. So it looks like the robots are brushing their teeth first, and then they're going to the table for breakfast. Squirt the milk, pour the O's. Robots know where each bowl goes. Hold on a sec. Is that where your breakfast bowl should go? No, they're putting them on their heads, making a big mess. Oh, these poor robots. This is just not their morning, is it? To the bathroom, in the tub, robots scrubbing, rub-a-dub-dub. I think we might be kind of out of order again, right? They got dressed, they brushed their teeth, they ate their breakfast, but now they're jumping in the tub? That's so silly, robots. Time to go, robots. What do you think? Do they look like they're ready? Uh-oh. We've got breakfast bowls on their head, pants and underpants on their heads, shirts on their legs. These robots are really messed up today. All right, do you think we can work it out? I hope so. The way they're dressed does not compute. Robots decide they must reboot. All right, so they're going to start over again from the beginning. All right, so here's a robot tucked up in bed. And then next, eating breakfast. And then brushing teeth. Oh, it looks like that robot's even brushing their antenna. So they're looking good today. All right, we have underpants and socks on. Then we're adding shoes and shorts and a shirt and even a backpack. All right, so what do you think? Did everything go a little bit better the second time around? I think so too. So do the robots look ready? They do. All right, let's see where they're headed. Good job, robots. Blast off. Woo-hoo! All right, so where are the robots going? I don't know, but they're heading there in a rocket ship. All right, do you think we can count how many robots we have? All right, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 robots and 1 blue robot dog. So those robots had kind of a rough start to their day, but they did a reboot and they got everything going just how it should be. So we're going to give the robots a thumbs up. We're going to say good job. See you later, robots, because we are at the end. Well, thanks for your help with that super silly story. I hope that you enjoyed meeting our friends in Hello Robots. We have a couple of robot songs to sing now, the first of which is called I'm a Little Robot. And we're going to sing this to the tune of I'm a Little Teapot. So we'll sing, I'm a little robot, short and strong. Push the button to turn me on. When I get warmed up, watch me go. Sometimes fast and sometimes slow. All right, do you think we can try that one all together? And this is a song that we can sing sitting down or standing, whichever you prefer today. So let's get our hands ready. Here we go. I'm a little robot, short and strong. Push the button to turn me on. When I get warmed up, watch me go. Sometimes fast and sometimes slow. Nice job, everyone. Our next song is called The Lights on the Robot, and we'll sing this one to the tune of Wheels on the Bus. And again, you can try this one sitting or standing, whichever you'd prefer. We're going to get our hands ready for our first verse, and we're going to sing "The lights on the robot blink on and off." So we're going to open and close our hands like the lights blinking. Ready? Here we go. The lights on the robot blink on and off, on and off, on and off. The lights on the robot blink on and off all day long. Oh, that was a great start. All right, next we are going to press a button. So we're going to sing "The button on the robot goes beep, beep, beep." Ready? The button on the robot goes beep, 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 beep. The button on the robot goes beep, 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 all day long. Fantastic. All right, next we're going to move our head side to side. Ready? The head on the robot moves side to side, side to side, side to side. The head on the robot moves side to side all day long. All right, now we're going to get our arms going. So the arms on the robot are going to move back and forth. Let's try it. The arms on the robot go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The arms on the robot go back and forth all day long. Awesome. All right, we're going to try one more verse. So for this one, we're going to pick up our feet and we're going to stomp them back down. Let's try it. The feet on the robot go stomp, 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 stomp. The feet on the robot go stomp, 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 all day long. Yay! Our next rhyme is called "Toast in the Toaster." This is one of my favorites to share in story time. We have a few different options for our movements with this one. So you can follow along with Bear and I, do this as a lap bounce, and you can either bounce and take it up to a lift, or just lift arms up and down if that works better for you today. Or you can try this one standing. So you're going to get very, very low and then listen for our toast popping up, and that's going to be your cue to jump up. All right, here we go. I'm toast in the toaster. I'm getting very hot. Tick tock, tick tock, up I pop. Oh, that was great. Do you think we can try it one more time? Okay, here we go. I'm toast in the toaster. I'm getting very hot. Tick tock, up I pop. Oh, nice job, everyone. Our story time has come to a close for today, which means that we're ready to sing our goodbye song, Goodbye Friends, to the tune of Goodnight Ladies. So we'll wave our hands goodbye and we'll sing, goodbye friends, goodbye friends, goodbye friends. It's time to say goodbye. Yay! All right, well, thank you very much for joining me in story time today. I hope that you had a lot of fun sharing our songs, rhymes, and of course, our very silly story, Hello Robots by Joan Holub. This book is part of our cardboard book collection at Indian Trails Library, so you can always visit the kids' desk. We can show you where that browsing section is. We've got a really wide range of authors, illustrators, and topics, so hopefully you'll be able to find a couple of books that you're really excited to take home. So thank you again for joining me today. Our next story time will be available in a couple of weeks at the beginning of October, so I hope that you'll come back and join me for some more songs, rhymes, and of course, a great story. So have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you again soon. Take care, friends. Bye-bye.